like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel diychristmas. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper Christmas tree. So let's get started. First we will take a rectangular paper and fold it in half. So here I have a template of a Christmas tree. So I will keep it here and draw this. So here I have drawn the template. So let's cut it. So here I have cut it. Now let's take glue. Put a little bit on the ends, like this way. And press it and keep it for some time for drying it. Now in the same way we have to make 9 more. Now let's stick it. Same way we have to stick this on. So here I have stick it. Now we have to open it like this way and stick it here. And the Christmas tree is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.